Hi, I'm Emma.
And I'm Evan.
And this is our dog, Millie Mae.
And we are traveling across the United States.
So, pour a drink, get settled, and come along with us.
We're here in Amboy, California, on our way to Joshua Tree at our little Airbnb that we got, and we stopped along the way to check this little thing out.
Not really sure how it got started, but
there's all these shoes just on this old gas station pump, it looks like. Just out here in the middle of nowhere. Pretty weird.
Alright guys, we found another cute little treasure on the side of the road. Guys, we made it to Joshua Tree. We're at our Airbnb that we've been dying to come see since we've started planning this trip. We're going to kind of take it easy tonight. We have an interesting experience trying to get here today, so we're just going to take it easy, and then tomorrow we'll give you a tour, go into detail about the experience, and a couple other things.
Drink on.
Coming live from our Airbnb
in Joshua Tree. So just wanted to do a little update video here. We got to our new spot last night here in Joshua Tree. A little Airbnb that we did. Really cool spot. We'll give you a little tour here in a second. But we got here last night, I guess about 5. Kind of had some issues coming in. Millie got a little sick in the car. We're not sure if it was car sickness or dehydration or whatever it may be. But she kind of had a little diarrhea. A little bit. Was really having issues keeping the water and kind of liquids down. So we decided to play it safe today, just kind of hang out. Original plan was to go to a Tree National Park, but we kind of put that on hold just for her health, and just want to make sure she was doing all right. So we figured, hey, hot outside. We're still kind of questioning why we actually decided to come out here in the middle of summer, you know, to the desert. Not sure why we decided to do that, but, you know, it sounded good at the time.
On a 10-day trip. Yeah. Just questioning some stuff, but we're still having fun.
Yeah, kind of put it to the test, and I mean, so far it's been doing great, but
I'm not sure if it was altitude sickness, like, I mean, she's fine now, you know, so.
we're not really sure what it was, but, you know, she's doing good now. We kind of just decided to hang out in our little spot. We had, fortunately, had air conditioning, so it's kind of what we just did all day. Just took a nice little chill day, and, you know, we didn't mind it. We did some kind of relaxing time, get away from life, and not to worry about everything, so.
Ready for the tour?
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's do a tour of our Airbnb. We found it on the app Airbnb. Kind of what sparked the whole entire trip was this location. Follow me. Alright guys, this is the whole entire spot. Sorry for the wind in case you can't hear me. If you have a dog, I would definitely recommend this. We actually got it at Costco, but keeps him off the ground, keeps him out in the sun, enjoys it. Next spot is where we've been sleeping. Alright, so when you walk in, pretty tight space, but pretty good for, you know, 2 humans and a dog. Right here is where we have been sleeping. One of our favorite features is the above storage. Literally everything in the car is right above us. They've got, you know, plenty of extra space in case you need it. I've been using it for just simple things like Millie's leash, Emmett's camera gear. They come pretty equipped with everything you can need. They've got salt, pepper, olive oil, even coffee, plates, fancy cups in case you need it. Another favorite feature is the fridge, which we've got loaded up with what we're going to make for dinner tonight, which is tacos. The ultimate favorite of this whole entire trip is our AC unit. Cranking it up, been hanging out underneath it all day. Millie loves the bed. She can't complain, which is what's important since, you know, our little incident yesterday. The kitchen, which is outdoors. Obviously, we have been using it a lot. We've already got our coffee cups. We got some dishes. Comes with a tea kettle, French press, regular coffee, knives, soap, and even a stove. Then we've got a little hangout area here. Comes with a hammock, you know, propane, grill. There's a fire ban right now, so there is no fires, which is totally fine with us. The next thing is the most interesting part of this whole site. It is the bathroom. Both the shower and the toilet. We took a shower today. You know, they say you can turn on the heater if you want to. Doesn't need it, definitely in the summer heat. The most interesting thing is that when you flush the toilet, the sink comes on. Cold running water. Can't flush toilet paper, so it's in the trash can next to us. Other than that, this trip has been a dream. Can't complain about this view. And that's it. This is where I've been staying for the past 2 nights, and it's been a dream.
I've worse. No one's standing for a second.
I fucking hope it's still recording.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope that's good. You like drool down your chin and shit.
Along the way, something about hundreds of kilometers of palm trees, and then when we get to the desert, I think we're gonna get to try sandboarding.
Today.